Well, I promised a Yuka video. What I'm going to do is pull the blades off of here and send a disc to a 3D guy so that he can 3D print me a disc. The other thing I got to do is figure out what size those are. They're not the same from the Luba to the Yuka. All boxed up, ready to send back. I'll let you know how the 3D print goes. All right, so I don't have the new 3D printed Yuka blades because they haven't printed one yet. This one is an original Luba 2 blade, and this one is a 3D printed Luba 2 blade. This one I just got. It has 6 blades. This one is the original with 4 blades. I know the new ones have 4 blades. So let's measure them, because I know that was one issue that I was kind of wary of. The original one weighs 9.4 grams. The 3D printed one weighs 9.8 grams. So they're pretty close in weight. And in case you're wondering about differences, here's the original one. Now, the reason I replaced it is because I wired out that hole trying to get it out. But here's the original one. And then here is the 3D printed one. Those are higher. That is about the same. So I've been using the 4-blade version of the 3D print for about 3 months now with no problems. So I upgraded to the 6-blade version. So I ran out of blades. I needed 2 more blades. So I ordered the 24 pack from Mammotion. I'm gonna run these dual 6 blades. And I've got some tall wet grass outside, so we'll see how it does. Not really the best conditions to mow in, but it handled it.